Brad Williams, XL Prime. Session 4.7, how to use the Paste Special dialog box. You will visit the home, clipboard, paste special. And in short, what we're going to do is right click, just highlight a cell, right click, copy, right click again. And here we have the paste special. Previous session, we talked about in detail the various features within the paste special. Here we have comments, validation, all using source theme, column widths, all merging conditions. So briefly, we will discuss each of these. I'm going to close this box, the dialog box, briefly discuss the 5 different features available in the paste special. We have a comment section. If you note here, you're going to see comments in the dialog box just below the display here. Copies only the cell comments from a cell or range. This option doesn't copy cell contents or formatting. A comment is a feature you will add if you think it's applicable. What you do is you take dog, you take this active cell, you right click, you move down, insert comment, and here you have a feature that you can add whatever you want in here. You want to put brown dog, 8 cat, brown dog plus cat, bot dog. You can list whatever you want, but that feature is available. You can move it. You can shrink this box. You can enlarge the box. You can shrink it. You can go in. I can change the identity here, or you can remove it. Remember, it's bold. Bold will carry through wherever. The bold turn on or off as soon as I deleted my name. You have that feature here. Sometimes it's supposed to go away. You need to hide comment. This red arrow at the top right indicates there's a comment there. If you want to copy this particular comment, you can hit right click on the active cell, copy, move to whatever active cell you want, right click, paste special, scroll down to comments, click the comments, and hit OK. And now you have a duplicate comments. You can modify that any way you want. Just copy the comment, not the active information. It did not copy dog. It just copied the comment. Validation copies the validation criteria so that the same data validation will apply. Data validation is applied by choosing data. Data tools, data validation. We'll get into data validation later. All using source theme, and you're just going to go through here and you'll see all using source theme. Paste everything, but uses the formatting from the document theme of the source. This option is relevant only if you're pasting information from a different workbook, and the workbook uses a different document theme than the active workbook. Column widths, paste only column width information, and all merging conditional formats merges the copied conditional formatting with any conditional formatting in the destination range. This option is enabled only when you're copying a range that contains conditional formatting. Brad Williams, XL Prime.